Alright, Aaron here, and today I just got my new graphics card, AMD Radeon RX 7600 XT. This is pretty much my first graphics card that I have gotten that requires external power. My first external power required card. Alright, I'm going to go and upgrade my graphics card. Alright, got my screwdriver. Let's go and start. Move that aside, and this card is pretty big, so hopefully it will fit inside of this case, but we're just gonna have to just see and find out. This right here is the RTX 3050 low profile card. Going to unbox this right now. Ooh. Oh, look at it, man. This thing is huge. Look at the size comparison. Man, look at this, bro. All I can do is just cross my fingers and hope this graphics card can fit in my PC. Oh, okay. It fits. Now all I gotta do is pretty much just get the external power and find a way to like put it in there. Oh my God. Ooh. Yeah, I might know what I have to do. There we go. Don't know why it was this hard. Where are you at? This graphics card is 4 pins, so we're good to go. Yep, I got the scissors. I gotta be careful. Just gotta cut this one right here. Don't try this at home, guys, but I'll be trying this. So I just plugged this one in here. Yep, it snapped. I plugged this one. This one is a bit tangled, kinda. Oh my God. Got it. This one was so hard. Yep. Oh, what a video. I got the graphics card in, but it's saying that I don't have it in, so I pretty much have to go to device manager. All right, here we go. I'm gonna go to display, adapters. Okay, it's not showing. Show hidden devices. Oh, it's not showing up. So I'm going to power off my PC and turn it back on.
Oh my God, dog. Damn.
3 days later.
All right, it's finally here, the power supply, and it's 600 watts. And I'm quickly gonna unbox it and show you guys putting the power supply in. And we're finally gonna see if I'll be able to use this graphics card. Ooh. And we got another power cord, which I'll be using. Now I'm going to put this into my PC. And I just gotta take out my old one and put in the new. Gonna put the new one in now. This thing is quite heavy too. Wait, should it be upside down? Oh shoot, I think I got it in the wrong way.
There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. Say you swear to God.
I'm gonna do all that over again.
1 hour later.
Now we're finally gonna see if this new graphics card will work. I got the PC standing up. We're now gonna see if this PC will now power on.
A few moments later.
Let me try again. Everything turned out like normal. Everything is functioning just right. But yeah, everything works just fine, and I plugged in everything just right. When I plugged in my new power supply into my PC was finally able to read my graphics card. And I'm going to be playing a couple games on my PC just to test and see how much FPS I can get.